everybody, I'm Susan from Srsstyle. Hope everybody's having a great day. We're still in isolation. Nothing is open, can't go out unless it's necessity, like you have to get groceries or whatever. Yeah, it's kind of getting worse in Canada, and all the borders are closed as well. So I have 2 packages that I can't even get. But I guess I'll live. So anyways, I have an unboxing today. Came in a box like this. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. Alright, that's my blade. And let's see what I got here. Have you ever had UPS just honk and take off? I thought, oh no, I gotta, you know how they leave this slip on the door? But he just threw this package on my porch and left. So, there's no damage, but I guess he's in a, hurry. And with the virus, they're probably told to get in and get out kind of thing. So, yeah. But have you guys had anything like that? If you have, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. 'Cause that was the first one for that. I've had them where they knocked on the door and didn't leave anything. So. Alright, let's see if I can get this open. God, this is rough. You gotta be like strong arm to get it open. Wow. It's one of the toughest ones. Huh. Well, maybe I'm not gonna have an unboxing today. Wow, this is crazy. Yeah, that's the bracelet that I'm wearing today. That's my new one. Oh, maybe we're in. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whew. Good grief. Alright, this is from Pandora. Alright, let's see what they sent me here. I have 2 little... Alright, and they give you the pink in the box, basically. It's pretty standard. Alright, there's one in there. Alright, let's check this out. Alright, this is like a heart with rose gold. There we go. That's kind of cool. Alright, so that matches like perfectly on my bracelet. Alright, so look forward to doing that, putting that on there. And let's see what this one is. Same pouch. Oh, this one's in another blue one. Okay, that's cool. Oh, and this one is the same as that one. Just so you kind of know. They're kind of hard to see, but it's called Peach Blossom. So I'm going to put that one on the other side, and then my Small World one is going to come off, and it's going to be replaced by the Peach Blossom. And I'll leave a picture on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there at Srsstyle. And that's my unboxing for today, guys. So I have one more Pandora coming. That back-ordered charm came back, and there was only 2. So I was lucky enough to get one. And I'll keep you updated on my multicolor pouch that's apparently lost. So we'll see what happens there. All right, so I hope you stay safe and use plenty of sanitizer. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a good week, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.